Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can purchase items on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the main page of Temu, and what you need to do first is you need to select which items you want to add to your cart. So for example, you have this gel dust remover for cars. You can just click here on the cart icon, and it'll be added to your cart. Now, some items come in different colors, different editions, I guess you could say, and then you'll need to select which one you want from a pop-up window. So for example, this here cupboard, you can easily just select the color which you want and then click add to cart, and then it'll be added into your cart and you're good to go. And then once you're done with searching for items, you need to go to your cart and you'll have the overview of your cart right over here. You can modify the quantity, you can delete items from your cart, you can select them or unselect them, etc, etc. Now, what you're going to do after that, you can express checkout with PayPal, or you can go directly to the normal checkout. And once you're there, you're going to need to enter your shipping address. Once that's added, then you will have the overview of your items, and you can also choose which type of shipping you would like. Depending on the items that you have chosen, different shipping options will be available. You have pickup, you have standard, and you have express. Some items such as electronics and other things are not available for express shipping. Some other items are not available for express and pickup. However, you can choose whichever one you want best. Then you can easily just click order and pay and enter your payment information, as well as a payment method if you haven't already, and that should be pretty much it. And after that, your order will be delivered to your address. You can then, if you don't like your order, you can, or if there was a mistake, you can easily get a refund by just returning the items, and you'll get a refund in the form of store credit. Or alternatively, you can also go ahead and if your items are delivered late, you'll also get a late fee in credit. You will get, depending on the method of transportation, you will get a bigger fee. If it's express, you will get a bigger fee or a bigger credit or reward than, for example, if the standard version is late. But pretty much that's all you need to do to get a Temu order, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.